Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a cute little set of stiletto nails, which I thought was cute, but the color choices was kind of iffy. So I thought this was a kind of a fail, but already taped it, so hope you enjoy it. Anyways, I wanted to do a full voiceover for this, but because of the choices that I made, I don't think it deserves a full voiceover. I thought that was a beautiful color, but because of the trainer hand, it was dark as crap. The nails on the trainer hand itself was already dark. It just didn't give justice to this beautiful powder mix. It's like a caramel color with sparkles, and it was just fantastic. And glitter mix I'm coming in with is fairy wings from Creative Claws. I will leave a link for her Instagram in the description below. You can check her out. She got great products. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use for this set. It's just that caramel sparkly cover with the Creative Claw glitter mix. Those are the only two products. And the brush I'm using is my number 12 Poochie's 100% Kolinsky brush. And the tips are from my local beauty supply store. So yeah, that's all I'm using today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And the top coat I'm going to be using is from BN Nails. It's really a nice top coat. So that's about all the products. I will leave a link for the products that I've named in the description below. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell as well, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, because yeah. Okay, so you see that paper right there? It's being pushed into my face. Yep, that's my son. He was like, Mom, I need you to sign this. I have to get to Sky Zone. Yeah, come on. It's Friday, people. It's Friday. He does not go back to school until Tuesday. But, I had to stop recording to sign his paper. Yeah. And I'm like, listen, I'm already knee-deep in acrylics, son. Can that wait? No, it can't wait, Mom. It can't wait. So I'm like, okay, fine. So I finished up my set. And I signed this paper. Front and back, people. Front and back. And, yeah, give it to him. So, he can put it down safely for 3 whole days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I mean, yeah, it was that urgent. So, yeah. That's children for you. But it's okay. I love them anyway. All right, guys. Don't forget to be fly like Regina is be fly. And thank you all for watching and subscribing and supporting. I really appreciate every one of you out here, just watching, subscribing, and helping the girl grow. I know I might not comment on all videos, but I do watch and give my likes and appreciation, because most of the times I'm so busy doing somebody's nails or whatever. I'm just watching the video on the phone while I'm actually, or watching it on my TV while I'm actually doing somebody's nails. So I do watch, and I do still pick up and learn things, because you're never too good to learn. You always learn something new every day. And if my voice still sounds scratchy, it's because, I don't know, it's been like this lately. I guess my nerves was like, okay, since I can't work on her hands as much, let me go for her voice, okay? So, yeah. All right. I know I said bye like 5 times already, so this is it for real. Okay, you guys, you have a wonderful time, and don't forget to love each other. Bye.